Happy birthday, Pranati. Smart and determined, a path you pave, ambitious and hardworking in every wave. Soft and loving, emotions soar far, a star shining brightly you are. Years have passed, our bond still true, from childhood mischiefs to moments anew. In silence or chatter, a heart align, a connection that only grows with time. On this milestone day, your 40th inside, I wish you joy, love, and endless light. You've always been special beyond compare. Your smile, a beacon, fills the air. Love you so much, dear. Wish you a very happy birthday, my girlfriend.
Panudi, you are a ball of energy filled with joy and positivity. There is so much you teach and inspire with your passion that never tires. You are not just an elder sister but a friend, a bond with you that will never end. Speaking of dream, let me convey, pursue that PhD without delay. Your brilliance knows no bound, and I believe you can do it with a lot of enthusiasm. Happy birthday to you. May this year be filled with lot of lovely moments. All the best.
Pranati is this resilient, dependable, cool lass with oodles of oomph, panache, and sass. Salt of the earth, a sustainability expert, two lovely kids, Veer and Nitya, and Alok as her husband she has.
You inspire many with your thoughts and actions. We're all so grateful for your calm reactions. Kindness and thoughtfulness is your forte. Our love for you, we wish to convey. You've always been there when we needed you to stay. Happy birthday on this beautiful day.
My sister never asked me where I've been all those days I didn't make a single call, though she's always worried how I've been and never builds a wall. We can pick up conversations where we left 6 months before, and without any questions further, I know she'd give me 6 months more. Our sister time is one of the best parts of my childhood and growing up after all. And though I am the one who's younger, she has never made me feel small. Happy birthday, Pranati Didi. We love you so much. Thank you for being such a wonderful sister.
Happy birthday, Pranati, my darling friend. Her values align with mine. She is our eternal sunshine. She does her best, expects the same from the rest. Be it fun or challenging, always up for anything. Never shies away from hard work. Goals are achieved by her perk. Her grit and determination have a sense of good tidings. For the young and old, she is ever so inspiring. So grateful to God for her presence in my life. She brings such joy and laughter, be high, low, or strife. Friends like family is her perfect ring. And today I wish her all her dreams that make her heart sing. Love you loads. Happy birthday again.
In the realm of hearts and amongst the brightest spot, a shining star Pranati, who we admire a lot. With love that's boundless, dynamic and true, she paints the world with a vibrant hue. Champion of green, she builds with care, crafting structures eco-friendly and rare. Her vision for tomorrow, a sustainable dream. In her footsteps, the world does gleam. A friend so dear, with a heart so pure, in laughter and joy, she's our cure. Trustworthy and loyal, through thick and thin, with her, life's journey is truly a joyful spin. A fun-loving spirit, she lights up the room. In her presence, there's never a hint of gloom. Our dear Pranati, you are amazing in every way. On your special day, we are here to say, thank you for being the light in our lives. With you, every moment thrives. Happy birthday to an important part of the Crazy Skulls gang. May your day be filled with love and celebrated with a bang. Lots of love from Neha and Vishal Deshpande.
Happy 40th birthday प्रणति दीदी. हर मुश्किल आपकी आसान हो,
हर पल में आपको खुशियाँ हो,
आपका हर दिन खूबसूरत हो।
ऐसा ही आपका पूरा जीवन हो।
आपको जन्मदिन मुबारक हो हमारी प्यारी दीदी।
मिस यू प्रणति दीदी, हैप्पी 40th बर्थडे।
जल्दी जल्दी मिलते हैं क्योंकि भतीजे को भी मिलना है आपको।
ये
बाय।
It's a special day, the day the world got you. Today the gods must be smiling down at the lovely being they created, that's you. A loving and caring daughter, wife, mother and sister. What more could one ask for, Pranati? You're exceptional and that I'm proud to call you my friend. Thank you for being there in times of laughter and tears. You have spread so much joy and love throughout the years. My prayer for you on this special day would be to keep that smile on your face for eternity. Sending you lots of love, hugs, love and sloppy kisses.
There's once a girl called Pranati. She liked what she did and did what she liked and always did it so merrily. Pranati this year turns 40. For most, that means getting more naughty. Naughty she is already. So she decided to take her health more seriously. She came up with a plan, followed it, and wham! The results can be seen so obviously. She's always in a state of constant motion. That's why she has Alok's complete devotion. But that's who she is in everything she does, especially for save and sustainability. We all love her best, and she excels every one of life's tests. And so, all I have to say is, Pranati, please continue to be this way. Happy 40th birthday, Pranati.
Dearest Devi, a soul so dear to me, is by far the most frequently word used by me. Following your footsteps right from the 1980s, be it school, Sweden, or our very own Shroff Sisters company. Mama's first love and Dada's strength, you make our family a full rock team. You've played multiple roles in my life, Didi. Let it be a mother, a best friend, a mentor, and sometimes my strongest critique. Filled with passion, hard work, and resilience, your dreams of painting the earth will always be green. Biking, cars, adventure, you're a complete rock star, filled with so much energy and an attitude which is completely stress-free. Always thoughtful, genuine, calm and patient. Been a listening aid and a helping hand for many. Happy 40th birthday, Didi. I love you so, so, so much.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं जितेंद्र टाटिया और पंकज न्यूज में आपका स्वागत है। मोदी के 400 पार इस सपने को तोड़ने के लिए आलोक मुनोत ने जो अपने उम्मीदवार, आलोक मुनोत वही है, हम आपको याद दिला दें, जो अन्ना हजारे जी के कट्टर समर्थक है, उन्होंने अपने उम्मीदवार प्रणति जी को आगे खड़ा किया है, जो 40 पार का नारा लगा के बीजेपी के 400 पार के सपने को तोड़ने के पीछे लगे हैं। हम देखते हैं उनके समर्थक जो NIBM ग्राउंड पर पूना में बैठे हैं, वो क्या आंदोलन कर रहे हैं।
हमारा नेता कैसा हो, प्रणति जी जैसा हो। हमारा नेता कैसा हो, प्रणति जी जैसा हो।
अरे अरे, तुम लोग को मालूम है उसके खाने पीने के कितने प्रॉब्लम है। चॉकलेट नहीं खाती, पानी पूरी नहीं खाती, भेल नहीं खाती, चाइनीज भी रो रो के खाती है। क्या करोगे ऐसे नेता का?
छाजेड़ जी की दोस्ती है, चला लेंगे चला लेंगे। हमारा नेता कैसा हो, प्रणति जी जैसा हो। हमारा नेता कैसा हो, प्रणति जी जैसा हो।
अच्छा ठीक है, खाना पीना बाजू में रखो। टाइम मैनेजमेंट पता है? बोलेगी 4 बजे आऊंगी, पहुंचेंगी 6 बजे। क्या करोगे ऐसे नेता का?
अरे चला लेंगे JP श्रॉफ की बेटी जो है।
हमारा नेता कैसा हो, प्रणति जी जैसा हो। हमारा नेता कैसा हो, प्रणति जी जैसा हो।
एक नंबर की जिद्दी है, जो ठान ली वो ठान ली, फिर किसी की भी नहीं सुनती। क्या करोगे?
अरे आपको पता नहीं क्या, वो मनोज जी की बहू है। चला लेंगे चला लेंगे। हमारा नेता कैसा हो, प्रणति जी जैसा हो। हमारा नेता कैसा हो, प्रणति जी जैसा हो।
आपको पता है ये सब होने के बाद भी कितनी केयरिंग है, कितनी लविंग है, कितनी रिलायबल है।
ग्रीन आर्किटेक्चर में उनका क्या नाम है?
ये बात है क्या?
तो क्या?
ओके देन हमारा नेता कैसा हो, प्रणति जी जैसा हो।
हमारा नेता कैसा हो, प्रणति जी जैसा हो।
A very happy birthday to you, Shroff. Have a great day. Enjoy.
लहान आमची भावली घरातली पहिली नातवंडी उजळून गेले छाजेड फॅमिली सॉस खात बसायची ती You are 16 going on 17 loving a sweet little girl fractured your leg and tractioned your back baby you're on the brink पनु हमारी आर्किटेक्ट बनेगी बिजनेस संभाल के मुझे रिटायर करेगी मगर ये तो कोई न जाने पनु हमारी किससे शादी करेगी आलोक पति परमेश्वरा योग हा वीरम नित्यम सर्वदा हैप्पी बर्थडे पनु 40th
सारे के सारे पनु के बर्थडे पे गाते चले हाँ हाँ गाते चले वीर नित्या की मम्मी तू प्यारी आलोक की बीबी तू न्यारी सारे के सारे पनु के बर्थडे पे गाते चले केयरिंग लविंग डैशिंग टू डार्लिंग कितनी सारी बातें तुम्हारी सारे के सारे पनु के बर्थडे पे गाते चले हाँ हाँ गाते चले वी लव यू पिल्लू
Well, dear Pranati, since you're on such a wannabe Swedish trend, I had to plagiarize this ABBA song for you and give you the opportunity to cringe and in fact make fun of me for the rest of our lives. So here we go.
Super trooper, lads are gonna find you shining like the sun, smiling, having fun, feeling like a number one. Super trooper, lads are gonna find you shining like the sun, smiling, having fun, feeling like a number.
Wishing you a very happy 40th birthday, Pranati. Lots of love, Charles and Chetna.
Dear Pranati Beta, I do not want to believe that you are 40. Please don't grow up. I want you to remain my cutie baby forever. You were our first baby, especially for Sujata and me. I remember those days when I wanted to pamper you with everything and wanted to doll you up all the time. You were the cutest, chubby, adorable baby. As you started growing up in this nasty, fiercely competitive world, somehow your academic success was never of interest to me. Your warmth and inner wisdom shone through all the time, and I always maintained she will do really well in life. I was so glad you chose to study architecture, which allowed you to rely on your creativity and find paths on your own. You were blessed to find a creative and loving family man like Alok and Munod family. A warm and safe place to blossom without being judged. Veer and Nitya made your life complete. Panu beta, as you strive to grow in your profession and give the best to your family, Veer, Nitya and Alok, many times you will be overwhelmed with the balancing act in life. which many do not understand. You will be tired, yet very fulfilled with your work and your ability to give to others. In those times, I know your understanding nature, your warmth and maturity and wisdom will tell you that it is equally important to pay attention to yourself and love yourself. I wish you nothing but a very happy and healthy life. Panu beta, I love you to the moon and back. Happy birthday!
हॅलो. B40 जन्माला आली एक गुटगुटीत मुलगी. आईला झाला आनंद फार. नानी निंबळी नानी भरवला बदाम शिरा. मावशीने केले लाड अपार. होते खूप लहान घोर पण उत्साह होता सर्वांना. मामा आला मामी आली. सूर्यपूजनचा घातला घाट. लापशी मटकीची भाजीचा थाट. नाव ठेवले प्रणती. बापाची झाली प्रगती. आता म्हणते मी झाली 40. अलोक वीर नित्या सांभाळते संसाराचा भार. कनक पंकज श्रॉफ ग्रुप कामाचा वाढला भार पण उत्साह आहे अपार म्हणूनच सांभाळते छान. थँक्यू.